For 6 years, a monster walked the streets of northern England. The Yorkshire Ripper killed 13 women with hammers and knives. He turned entire cities into ghost towners after dark. But here's the terrifying part. Police stopped the Peter Sutcliffe 5 times during their investigation. 5 times, they let him go. Officers became obsessed with fake letters, audio tapes from someone claiming to be the killer. They ignored every piece of evidence pointing to the real murderer. Women changed their lives completely. Streets emptied at sunset. An entire region lived in terror. The investigation became the largest in British history. 2.5 million man-hours, all chasing lies. Meanwhile, Sutcliffe kept killing. When they finally caught him, it was pure luck. A routine check for stolen license plates. The letters were revealed as a cruel hoax. The real killer had been hiding in plain sight the entire time. For 6 years, the monster they were hunting had looked them in the eye and walked away 5 times.